Welcome back to this chapter 6 tutorial on Excel VBA Basic to Advanced. In this chapter, you will learn the VBA code for changing the font property of text, applying border to the cell, and changing the text alignment and orientation. For this, let me click on this chapter 6 sheet, click on Developer tab, then Visual Basic. Here, let me create a new module by going to Insert, Module. Now here let's create a sub procedure sub font underscore property, open close bracket, press enter. Now first of all, let's write some value in the cell. Range A1 to C3 dot value is equal to VBA. Press enter. Let's run this code. Here you see VBA is written in this range. Now if you want to change the font name of this text, then write this code. Range A1 to C3 dot font dot name is equal to, then type the font name, for example Times New Roman. Then hit enter. Now if you run this code, the font will change to Times New Roman font. Let me hit on the run button. Here you see font is changed. If you want to make the font bold, then write the code in this way. Range A1 to C3 dot font dot bold is equal to true. This code will make the font bold. Let me hit on run button. Here you see it has become bold. Let's change the font size by using VBA code. For that, the code is range A1 to C3 dot font dot size is equal to, then put the number, for example 20. Now if you run this code, you see that font size is changed to 20. If you want to put underline in the text, then the code will be copy this part of the code, then paste it here, then here put dot underline is equal to true. If you run this, underline will be given in the text. Here the underline is not visible because of the row height. Let's increase the row height and you see the underline is given. If you want to change the color of the text, then the code will be paste the copied code till dot font, then type here dot color is equal to VV red. This will change the color to red. Let me click on the run button. Here you see the color is changed to red. If you want to make it blue color, then you can put here VV blue. Then hit on the run button. And here you see the color is changed to blue color. If you want to put here the RGB color, then the code will be range A1 to C3 dot font dot color is equal to, then put the RGB color code. For that, put RGB open bracket, then put the color code, for example 255 102 253 close bracket, press enter. Now if you run it, here you see the color is changed. So in this way we can change the font property using the VBA code. Now let's look into how to apply border to cell by using the VBA code. For this, let's select this chapter 6, open Visual Basic window. Then to apply the border here in this range, write the code in this way. Range A1 to C3 dot borders dot color is equal to BB black. This code will apply the black color border in the range. Let me hit on the run button. Here you see the black color border is applied. If you want to change the weight of the border, then the code will be copy this part of the code till borders, copy and paste here, then put here dot weight is equal to 3. Now if you run this code, here you see the weight of the border is changed. Let's look into changing the text alignment using VBA code. Before writing the code, let me increase the column width of this so that the text alignment change will be visible here. Let me also increase the height of the row. Then go to Visual Basic and write the code. For example, if you want to change the vertical alignment of the text to top, then the code will be copy this part of the code, Control C, then Control V, range A1 to C3 dot, choose this vertical alignment option equal to XL top. Now if you run this code, the text will move to top of the cell. Let me click on the run button and here you see the text goes to top. If you make it XL bottom, then if you run it, text goes to the bottom. If you want to change the horizontal alignment of text, then the code will be range A1 to C3 dot horizontal alignment equal to XL left. If you run this code, you see the text goes to the left of the cell. If you want to keep the text at right, you can change this left to right. Similarly, if you want to change the orientation of the text, and then the code will be range A1 to C3 dot orientation is equal to, then put here the degree of orientation. Let me put here 20, then press enter. Now if I run this code, here you see the text rotates to 20 degree. If you make it 0, then run it, the orientation is removed. So this is all about how to change font property, how to apply border, and how to change the text alignment and orientation by using VBA code. In the next chapter, we will learn the width block in VBA. If you want to download this sample workbook file for practice, you can go below in the video description and download. This workbook file will be downloaded in compressed zipped folder. You have to unzip and follow some steps to make the file ready to use. To learn how to set up the macro enabled Excel file for the first use, read the article that is attached below in the video description. Thank you so much for watching this video.